Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll tell you how you can disable your laptop inbuilt keyboard, okay? And what are the method to disable it? So we have various type of methods like disabling temporary or permanently, okay? And what is the issue that you are facing and why you are going to disable, okay? Like many people face this issue, they will see like something getting typed automatically, they are not doing something right, and in some scenario their uh, application get hangs, and they are not able to work properly on their laptop, okay. So for that we have option to fix it permanently if you have any external keyboard. Some people use the external keyboard, and they try to put something on laptop like notebook or something, and they don't want to use the inbuilt keyboard, and for avoiding the unnecessary typing from that keyboard, they disable the keyboard temporary, okay. So now I'll tell you the option how you can disable it, okay. So first you have to click on the start menu. Here you have to click right, then you have to select the device manager. In device manager, you have to expand the keyboard section. Okay. So here you will be find like many keyboards drivers are installed. So you have to look for a standard PS-2 keyboard. Okay. And you have to click on update driver. Okay. And here you can select browse from my computer. Then let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer. Then you can uncheck this one, and instead of a standard keyboard you can select any SR, ELP, anything, okay. But this is the option to disable permanently. But here what problem you will face, instead of searching the system will search its original driver, okay, but it will find this SR1, and due to that incompatible issue it will not work, okay. So this will cause your system to hang, and like on every startup you will face some issue, right? So this option I will not recommend. Another option is that click on right here only, and then uninstall device, okay, and you can uninstall it. But problem is that this is the temporary option. Like let's say in these sessions I open my laptop, and in my laptop I try to disable the keyboard. So what I can do, I can disable I can uninstall this driver now, okay, and my keyboard will not work. And after that if I restart my system, Windows will try to get this driver automatically from like a driver page from the Windows, right? So this is the also temporary options. If you want on particular sessions, like you open the laptop, you uninstall the driver, and you can work with the external keyboard, but after restart it will again get installed. So this option is also not recommended if you are facing any keyboard issue, like if you have any problem in your keyboard, okay. So now the third options which I am going to tell you is the permanent option. So here you have to search your command prompt, okay, and you have to run as a administrator. Then you have to type a command sc config i8042 PRT. Okay. So basically, I8042 is the motherboard port that intend to for any PS driver and all. Okay. And then a start is equal to disable. Okay. So basically, what this will do. So on every start, uh, if it is set auto, it will try to start the uh, you know uh, this port, and your keyboard will work. If it is set to disabled, then if on every startup it will look for that status and your keyboard will not work. Okay, so before that, what I'll do, I can open the on screen keyboard so I can show you. Okay, so see, if I here, if I type a space, enter, so a start field is equal to, it's showing. So here a spelling of disable is wrong. Okay, so let me correct it. Okay, then type. So if you see, change service config is equal to success. So if I now type anything, it will get like I will able to type it. So what I have to do is I have to restart the system. Okay, so we will I'll just pause the video here and we can restart the system. So I have restarted my system. Okay, and I have opened the command prompt. Okay, so if I show you, I'm typing from my keyboard, but it's not showing here anything. So let me show you the status, like if it is disabled or not. Okay, so first, for checking the status, we have to type SCQC, then the port number, right? So it was 8042 PRT. Okay, then enter. If you see, the port 8042 start type disable, error control normal. So we have disable it, right? And then you see it's a keyboard PS1, right? If I show you here the keyboard port, right? So now the question is, in future, if you have to start this, so why we choose this option? Even after restarting also, once you disable, it will not work. Okay, you have to start it. So for starting, what command we use? Okay, so we use sp, okay, space config. Sorry for I am not using any external keyboard. So that's why I'm using on screen keyboard. So it takes some time to type through this. Okay. I8042 PRT space. Here start mode, start is equal to, we will put auto. Okay. And then enter. Okay. If you see, change service configuration is done. So to reflect this in the system, we have to restart the system again. So let's check the status. It should, if you see, now is the status is auto start. It's showing, right. So like on every startup, it will start the keyboard and your keyboard will start working. As of now, if I type, it will not work because I need a restart to apply these changes. Okay. So that's all about the keyboard disabling video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.